In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom in on an image in PowerPoint using a simple built-in animation. This is perfect if you want to highlight a specific part of a picture during a presentation, create a dynamic effect, or make your slides look more professional and engaging. The best part is that you don't need any advanced tools or add-ins. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint and open the presentation you're working on. Navigate to the slide where your image is placed. If you haven't inserted your image yet, simply click on the Insert tab, choose Pictures, and add your image to the slide. Once your image is visible on the slide, make sure it's positioned exactly where you want it before applying the zoom effect. Next, click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the small handles appear around the edges. It's important that the image itself is selected, not the background or another object on the slide. The animation we're about to apply will only work on the object that is currently selected, so double-check before moving on. Now go to the top menu and click on the Animations tab. This is where you can add motion effects to objects in your presentation. In the Animation section, you'll see a gallery of different animation styles, like fade, fly in, and more. For a zoom effect, we're going to use a specific animation called grow and shrink, which allows the image to increase in size smoothly during your slideshow. If you don't immediately see the grow and shrink option, click on the small drop-down arrow in the animation gallery to expand the full list of animations. This will open a larger menu showing all available effects. Scroll through the emphasis section until you find grow and shrink. Once you see it, click on it to apply the animation to your selected image. As soon as you click Grow and Shrink, you'll notice a small animation number appear next to the image, indicating that the effect has been applied. To customize the zoom level, click on Animation pane in the Animations tab. In the pane that opens on the right, click the drop-down arrow next to the Grow and Shrink effect and select Effect Options. Here, you can adjust the size percentage to control how much the image zooms in. For example, setting it to 150% will enlarge the image by half its original size during the animation. You can also adjust the duration to make the zoom slower and smoother for a more dramatic effect. Once you're done adjusting the settings, preview the animation by clicking the Preview button in the Animations tab or by starting the slideshow. You'll now see your image smoothly zoom in when the animation is triggered, creating a clean and professional zoom effect right inside PowerPoint. And that's how you zoom in on an image in PowerPoint using the Grow and Shrink animation. It's quick, simple, and adds a powerful visual touch to your presentations. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.